Every app you use depends on APIs, but what happens if an API returns the wrong data, responds too slowly, or has a security flaw? That's why API testing has become one of the most important skills in software development in 2026. In this video, you'll learn how API testing works, the best tools, and the practices every team should follow. So, what is API testing? API testing verifies that an application's APIs work correctly before users ever interact with the interface. Instead of testing buttons and screens, developers test requests, responses, authentication, status codes, performance, and data validation. Because modern applications rely heavily on APIs, testing them early helps prevent costly production issues. A complete API testing guide included several types of testing. Functional testing to verify endpoints work correctly. Security testing to validate authentication, authorization, and token protection. Performance testing to measure response times and scalability. Integration testing to ensure services communicate correctly. Contract testing to verify APIs. Follow their defined schema. Combining these tests creates reliable and secure APIs. Several tools dominate API testing today. Postman remains one of the best choices for beginners in manual testing. Newman automates Postman collections for CI/CD pipelines. Developers also use Rest Assured, Playwright, Karate, PyTest, and K6 for automated testing, load testing, and advanced test frameworks. Choosing the right tool depends on your workflow, not just popularity. Successful teams don't just test APIs, they automate them. Follow these best practices, validate every request and response, test both positive and negative scenarios, verify authentication and authorization, measure API performance regularly, integrate API tests into your CI/CD pipeline, use AI-powered tools to generate and maintain test cases faster. As software becomes increasingly API-driven, quality can no longer depend on manual testing alone. Modern teams combine API test automation, security testing, performance testing, and continuous testing to deliver reliable applications faster. The future of API testing is automated, AI-assisted, and built directly into the development lifecycle.